Welcome to another semester of short stories. I went a little overboard last semester, so I decided to keep things simple this time. This semester will be about Aesop's Fables. What is Aesop's Fables? It is a collection of old fables dating back to perhaps the 6th century BC. What is a fable? It is a fictional story designed to teach a specific moral lesson. Was Aesop a real person? Probably not, but ancient historians believed that he was. Some claimed that he was a slave from Asia Minor. Others said that he was an advisor to a king. But in all likelihood, Aesop was just a convenient name attached to a collection of short stories about animals. Where these stories originated is anyone's guess, because they developed from oral storytelling traditions. The collection of stories has changed a lot over the centuries because authors and storytellers kept adding to it. It might be more accurate to describe Aesop's Fables as an open source project. So, I guess I will add my contribution to this project with today's story, The Cat and the Birds. Now the vocabulary. Aviary. Aviary. The man kept a fabulous aviary on his estate. Diminutive. Diminutive. Ant-Man is a diminutive hero. Gizzard. Gizzard. The bird's gizzard was full of small rocks. Godsend. Godsend. You are a godsend, Frank. You've been so helpful. Physiology. Physiology. A veterinarian must be familiar with animal physiology. Pro bono. Pro bono. The lawyer represented the woman pro bono. Specialist. Specialist. This problem requires a specialist. Veterinarian. Veterinarian. The veterinarian cured the cat of its disease. Before I begin today's story, I have to tell you that I'm doing something a little bit different this semester. I've asked my AI assistant Derek to read the stories for me. So this is a kind of experiment. I want you, the audience, to assess Derek's ability to read the story. Please leave a comment on the video, or you may email me at the email listed at the end of the video. Your feedback is very helpful for me because I can assess whether or not it's even worthwhile to use AI to do these videos. Thank you for your cooperation, and now, the video.